Hi there, and welcome to my channel. You're listening to Key Components of IT Project Management, Establishing Strong Foundations. In today's video, we're going to explore mastering the basics, core principles of IT project management, building the perfect IT project team, essential roles for success, and understanding the lifecycle, anticipating challenges and planning resources. We've got a great lineup of insights and discussions for you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. In the fast-paced world of technology, successful project management is the backbone of any IT initiative. Understanding the foundations of IT project management is essential for delivering projects on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. This video will delve into the basic principles of IT project management, outline the key roles and responsibilities involved, and explore the stages of the project lifecycle. By grasping these core elements, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of IT projects and drive them to successful completion. Mastering the basics, core principles of IT project management. As an IT project manager with over a decade of experience, I've learned that success often hinges on mastering a few fundamental principles. Today, I want to share insights on 4 critical areas that form the backbone of effective IT project management. Scope management. Scope management is the process of defining, controlling, and validating what is included and excluded in a project. It ensures that the project includes all the necessary work to complete the project successfully while avoiding work that is outside the project's objectives. Effective scope management involves planning scope, establishing the scope management plan that outlines how the project's scope will be defined, validated, and controlled, defining scope, developing a detailed project scope statement that includes the project objectives, deliverables, and boundaries, creating a work breakdown structure, WBS breaking down the project scope into smaller, manageable components, validating scope, formalizing acceptance of the completed project deliverables, controlling scope, monitoring the project scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. Proper scope management ensures that the project stays on track, within budget, and on time by clearly defining and controlling what is and is not included in the project. Remember, saying no to scope changes is often as important as saying yes. Time management. Time management in project management refers to the systematic process of planning, organizing, and controlling the amount of time allocated to specific activities to ensure the timely completion of the project. Effective time management involves planning schedule management, establishing policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, developing, managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule, defining activities, identifying and documenting the specific actions required to produce the project deliverables, sequencing activities, determining the dependencies between activities and arranging them in a logical order, estimating activity durations, approximating the number of work periods needed to complete individual activities with the estimated resources. Developing the schedule, analyzing activity sequences, durations, resource requirements, and schedule constraints to create the project schedule, controlling the schedule, monitoring the status of the project to update project progress and managing changes to the schedule baseline. Proper time management ensures that project activities are completed within the defined timeframe, thereby contributing to the overall success of the project by preventing delays and ensuring efficient use of resources. Pro tip: always build and buffer time for unexpected challenges. Cost management. Cost management in project management refers to the process of planning, estimating, budgeting, financing, funding, managing, and controlling costs so that the project can be completed within the approved budget. Effective cost management involves planning cost management, establishing policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, managing, expending, and controlling project costs, estimating costs, developing an approximation of the monetary resources needed to complete project activities, determining budget, aggregating the estimated costs of individual activities or work packages to establish an authorized cost baseline, controlling costs, monitoring the status of the project to update the project costs and managing changes to the cost baseline. Proper cost management ensures that the project is delivered within the approved budget, preventing cost overruns and ensuring financial resources are used efficiently and effectively throughout the project lifecycle. Remember, transparency in financial matters builds trust with your team and clients. Quality management in project management refers to the process of ensuring that the project will satisfy the needs for which it was undertaken. This involves determining quality policies, objectives, and responsibilities so that the project will meet the stakeholders' requirements and be performed effectively and efficiently. Effective quality management involves planning quality management, identifying quality requirements and standards for the project and its deliverables and documenting how the project will demonstrate compliance, performing quality assurance, auditing the quality requirements and the results from quality control measurements to ensure that appropriate quality standards and operational definitions are used, performing quality control, monitoring and recording the results of executing the quality activities to assess performance and recommend. Quality management in project management refers to the process of ensuring that the project will satisfy the needs for which it was undertaken. This involves determining quality policies, objectives, and responsibilities so that the project will meet the stakeholders' requirements and be performed effectively and efficiently. Effective quality management involves planning quality management, identifying quality requirements and standards for the project and its deliverables and documenting how the project will demonstrate compliance, performing quality assurance, auditing the quality requirements and the results from quality control measurements to ensure that appropriate quality standards and operational definitions are used. Performing quality control, monitoring and recording the results of executing the quality activities to assess performance and recommend necessary changes. Proper quality management ensures that project deliverables meet the required standards and specifications, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing rework, and improving overall project performance. Building the perfect IT project team, essential roles for success. An IT project team is a group of professionals assembled to plan, execute, and complete a specific information technology project. The team typically comprises various roles and individuals with specialized skills necessary to achieve the project's goals. Here is a breakdown of the typical roles and their responsibilities within an IT project team. Project Manager, PM, responsibilities, oversees the project from start to finish, ensuring it is completed on time, within scope, and within budget. Manages project planning, resource allocation, risk management, and stakeholder communication. Business Analyst, BA. Responsibilities, works with stakeholders to understand and document the business requirements. Translates these requirements into technical specifications for the development team. Technical lead/architect, responsibilities, provides technical direction for the project. Designs the overall system architecture and ensures that the technical solutions align with the business requirements. Developers/programmers, responsibilities, write, test, and maintain the code for the project. They work on implementing the features as defined in the project specifications. Developers are at the heart of any IT project. Their role goes beyond just writing code. They translate requirements into functional solutions. Collaborate with designers and testers, solve complex technical challenges, contribute to technical documentation. I've found that the best developers are not just coding wizards but also excellent communicators who can explain technical concepts to non-technical team members. Quality assurance, QA, testers, responsibilities, conduct testing to ensure the software meets the defined requirements and is free of defects. They perform various types of testing, including functional, performance, and security testing. Great testers prove their worth time and again. They ensure the product meets quality standards, identify and report bugs, validate user requirements, contribute to improving the development process. Testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about ensuring a quality user experience. From unit testing to user acceptance testing, each phase plays a crucial role in delivering a polished product. Database administrators, DBAs. Responsibilities, manage the database infrastructure. Ensure the integrity, performance, and security of the databases used by the project. system administrators/DevOps engineers, responsibilities: manage the deployment, scaling, and monitoring of the project's infrastructure. Ensure that the servers, networks, and other infrastructure components are reliable and efficient. UI/UX designers, responsibilities: design the user interface and user experience of the application. Ensure that the application is intuitive, user-friendly, and visually appealing. Network engineers, responsibilities: design and manage the network infrastructure required for the project. Ensure the network is secure, efficient, and meets the project's connectivity needs. Security specialists, responsibilities: ensure the project's security requirements are met. Conduct security assessments, implement security measures, and monitor for potential threats. Scrum Master, in agile environments, responsibilities: facilitates the Scrum process. Helps the team adhere to agile practices, removes impediments, and ensures smooth communication among team members. Stakeholders, responsibilities: provide input and feedback on the project. They can include clients, end users, and other individuals or groups with a vested interest in the project's outcome. Stakeholders can make or break a project. They include clients or product owners, end users, senior management, external partners or sellers. Managing stakeholder expectations is an art. I've learned to identify all stakeholders early in the project, establish clear communication channels, regularly update on project progress, involve key stakeholders in critical decisions. The specific composition of an IT project team can vary depending on the project size, complexity, and requirements. However, the roles mentioned above are commonly found in most IT project teams. Throughout my years leading IT projects, I've learned that success often hinges on having the right people in the right roles. Today, I want to share my insights on the key players that make up a stellar IT project team and how their roles intertwine to create project magic. The project manager's symphony, balancing technical skills with leadership and communication. As a project manager, I've often felt like a conductor, coordinating various elements to create harmony. Our primary responsibilities include planning and executing projects, managing resources and budgets, mitigating risks, ensuring timely delivery. But beyond these technical aspects, leadership and communication are our superpowers. We're the glue that holds the team together, translating technical jargon for stakeholders and keeping everyone aligned with the project vision. Pro tip: cultivate your emotional intelligence. It's as crucial as your technical skills. The impact of teamwork on achieving goals. What I love most about IT project management is seeing how these roles come together. Project success flourishes when developers and testers work in harmony, stakeholders actively contribute, and the project manager skillfully coordinates these dynamics. In your projects, take time to appreciate the unique contributions of each role. Foster an environment of mutual respect and open communication. Remember, a strong team can overcome almost any project challenge. Understanding the lifecycle, anticipating challenges and planning resources. The IT project management lifecycle is a structured approach to managing and completing information technology projects. It consists of distinct phases that guide a project from inception to completion, ensuring that all necessary steps are taken to deliver a successful outcome. The key phases of the IT project management lifecycle include initiation, overview. This phase involves defining the project at a high level, establishing its feasibility, and obtaining approval to proceed. Key activities: identifying project objectives, identifying stakeholders, establishing the initial scope, conducting a feasibility study, creating a project charter. Pro tip: don't rush this phase. A well-defined initiation sets the tone for the entire project. Planning, overview. Detailed planning is carried out to guide the project team and set expectations. Key activities: developing a project management plan, defining the project scope, creating a work breakdown structure, WBS, estimating costs and timeframes, setting up a schedule, identifying risks, establishing quality and communication plans. Pro tip: flexibility is crucial here. Plans will change, but a solid foundation makes adapting much easier. Execution, overview. the project plan is put into action, and the work required to achieve the project objectives is performed. Key activities: coordinating people and resources, managing stakeholder expectations, ensuring that project deliverables are completed as planned, regular progress monitoring and adjustments. Pro tip: your role here is to remove obstacles and keep the team focused and motivated. Monitoring and controlling. Overview: ongoing oversight is provided to track project performance against the plan. Key activities: measuring project performance using key performance indicators, KPIs, identifying variances from the plan. Implementing corrective actions as needed. Pro tip: regular check-ins and open communication channels are vital. They help catch small issues before they become big problems. Closing. Overview: the project is formally completed and closed. Key activities: finalizing all project activities, obtaining stakeholder approval for project deliverables, releasing project resources, documenting lessons learned, conducting a post-project evaluation. Pro tip: don't skip this phase. The insights gained here are invaluable for future projects. Continuous learning and effective navigation. What I love about the project lifecycle is how each phase builds on the previous one. It's a continuous learning process. Each project teaches me something new about managing teams, dealing with stakeholders, or tackling technical challenges. Remember, while these phases are distinct, they often overlap in practice. Mastering project management requires a clear understanding of phase-specific goals and diligent pursuit of these objectives throughout the project's journey. Conclusion: understanding the fundamentals of IT project management is essential for all IT project team members. By mastering the basic principles, recognizing the key roles and responsibilities, and navigating the project lifecycle, you can increase the likelihood of project success. Apply these principles and practices to your future projects to improve outcomes and contribute to your organization's success.